All right. If you promise not to be naughty.
Yeah, they're friendly. Don't shoot.
Okay.
You want to go to? You want to rave? Okay, go rave. Go.
Yeah, we'll go rave. Let's rave. Let's rave. Oh yeah. I want to see your best moves.
Where is your last friend, bro? Where is your last friend? Go duel, you versus me. We speak cakes, okay?
What, we're gonna 1v1?
Yeah, 1v1 we speak cakes, okay?
Okay, all right.
Don't shoot again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Aww.
I revive you.
GG's.
Where is your friend?
He wants to 1v1 us all.
You don't have a shield. Oh wow.
There's a shredder. Oh, and there's a PvP. No.
Hey, these guys just shot me, man. He's knocking me out.
No.
So kill him.
You can't do this. I have a
No,
wife and kids.
Your friends just killed me.
I know. They're fucking bastards.